Hey everyone, are you looking for an easy way to make passive income with no extra effort? In today's video, I'll show you how to sign up for Honeygain and earn 3,000 credits for free just by using the special link in the description. Stick around till the end and I'll explain how Honeygain works and how you can make money while doing absolutely nothing. Honeygain is a passive income app that allows you to earn money by simply sharing your unused internet bandwidth. The best part, you don't need to monitor it or put in any effort. It runs in the background on your device while you go about your day. It's a great way to monetize your internet without impacting your daily usage. Here are a few benefits of using Honeygain. 1. Passive income. Once it's set up, let's say you earn money automatically. 2. No upfront investment. It's completely free to join. 3. Earn from multiple devices. The more devices you connect, the more you earn. 4. Secure and safe. Your data isn't accessed. Honeygain only shares your bandwidth. Each 10 MB of shared bandwidth gives you $1, and once you hit $20, you can withdraw your earnings via PayPal or Bitcoin. Okay, now let's walk through how to sign up and claim your 3,000 free credits. 1. Click the link in the video description. 2. Once you're on the Honeygain website, click Sign Up and enter your email. 3. Set a password and confirm your email address. 4. Download the app on your device. It's available for Windows, macOS, Android, and more. 5. Log in to the app with your new account. Boom! With the link in the description, you'll get 3,000 credits instantly, which is equal to $3. A nice head start towards your first withdrawal. And that's it. You're now on your way to making passive income with Honeygain. Just let the app run in the background, and you'll be earning effortlessly. Don't forget to use the link in the description to claim your free 3,000 credits. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.